doesn't it? Does it work now? Yes. Hello, hello! We had technical difficulties, but now we are good. Grassenstein here, and it's time to stream. Misty, guys, how's it going? Holtzy, what's up, dude? How you doing? It's good to see you. Hope you've been wonderful today. Tonight, this evening, whenever. I'm just ahead. I'm wearing a bright green shirt on. It's a greenbacks. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. We're gonna stick with it though. We are just full green screen today. This box is dope. It is, man. It's so good. Their roast beef. I think I want that tomorrow for lunch. Just saying. All right, so.
Are you wearing your glasses?
Maybe. I am wearing my glasses. If you were on my stream, you would know. I was a manager there. You were? You were a manager at Jersey Mike's? That's sick. Did they give you a good discount? Because their sandwiches are the bomb. Number 9, where it's at? Wait, what's number 9? Is number 9 the roast beef? Because I think my fiance gets the number 7. Is that the turkey? She gets the turkey provolone. I get the roast beef provolone. On the cheese bread. The cheese bread is the bomb. The club sub? What is that? Number 6 is the club sub. No, number 6 is the provolone. And the turkey. Oh, 6 is the roast beef. 7 is the turkey. What's the club sub? Number 9, Jersey Mike's. What is that? The 9 Club Supreme? This guy? Roast beef, turkey, Swiss, bacon, mayo. Sounds fantastic. That sounds so good. Sounds real good. It's pretty funny that I'm just a floating head right now. Okay, so we've got stuff to do, man. We've got a lot of things to do. We got games to make. Alright, so we have put the art in for all of the locations. And they do this fancy little fade out thingamajiggy. Look at that. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, the steak is sheeted ribeye. Oh man, highly recommend. I still can't get over the roast beef, man. The roast beef is so good. The roast beef is so good. Sheeted ribeye sounds delicious though. I'll have to give you that. Yeah, it's a food stream today. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is create a clickable, like how we do with the cards. And inspect for the, like this, but for the locations. Right, like that, but for the locations. Would be sick. Also, I gotta change the font. I just can't stand the font. It's terrible. You get stoned and watch Dev? I just smack my face against the tools all day? Nice. Do it. Get stoned with that delicious Virginia weed. Okay. So, what are we gonna do? We are going to, let's see here. We should do the point of interest inspectors. Just like the inspect UI here. We need one for visible card. However, here. Right, so this, and then we have the inspect manager for the card. We also need an inspect manager for the what's it called? For the realm, right? So if we go to click again, we do an inspect realm UI, right? We just change this up a little bit. Instead of being the card inspect manager, we're just going to create the realm inspect manager. Where the scripts up? Manager. Card inspect manager. We need a new one called the realm inspect manager. Realm inspect manager. Okay. Alright. So, first things first, unpack prefab. Second things first, remove Inspect Manager, add in Realm Inspect Manager instead. The Realm Inspect Manager needs to be the right thing for that. So instead of, what is this background? That's the background. So instead of visible card, right? The visible card has a template, it has a clicky guy, yada 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 yada, right? Not needed. Don't need any of that. We don't need the visible card in the inspector. We need instead a point of interest. I'm calling it inspect PO, inspect realm. Okay. Nice. It's just gonna this. Okay. Where's the rest of the where's the rest of the 32, 767 or something like that? You know what, we probably should get rid of this. Got the recaster bends on it. That's fine. Why are you okay, you're showing up now, that's good. Okay. So now we can make you larger. This doesn't need these at all. Right? This, however, needs to have stuff move around a little bit. We don't need total power and opponent power. We don't need that. We do need the description, which is going to go down here. That be fine. It's going to go here. You can probably put it like that. Description underneath that. We're gonna go up here. Oop. Oh, the shadow should be in the same spot, huh? Negative 127. Cool. Alright, so now we have the image and the place and the mask and all that's fun stuff, right? However, what we need to do is this needs a clickable on here, doesn't it? It needs a clickable on the shunted. Would it be this? No. First off, how does this inspect work? They inspect here. Okay. Background, visible card, template. On check inspect. Those on points are up, right? So that means that we need to do that for the realm as well. Okay, so where is that on? That's on the template, so the actual body of it, right? So it'd be the realm image. The mask is not a raycast target, is it? It didn't know anymore. I think it's the wrong image. I think it's this guy. We'll add an event trigger here, right? And we'll add a on up, and then we'll do in the realm. So we need the card inspect, and we just need to like pretty much just kind of like we don't need this guy. Right. So we need inspect button click. That's for collection UI. Activate card info. Activate card info collection. Okay, activate card info. So it's literally this up. Something like that, right? Let's go to Realm Inspect Manager. Something like this. Realm. Nope. Realm Inspect Manager. Use the ATM Pro. So activate realm. Okay, activate realm info. And this is a point of interest. Realm. Okay. This is not inspector card. This is point of interest for inspector realm. Deck move button we don't need. Campus group we do need. Okay, so inspector realm on inspect. It's on inspect realm. What does on inspect card do? On check inspect. On inspect card. So it's this. So on inspect card needs to go to the actual realms. Right? And just go public void on inspect realm. Realm R. Point of interest R. Okay. We need to do I do tween also. Using the tweening. Okay. On inspect realm. So what's on inspect going to do? On inspect, going to take a realm, right? What it's going to do is it's going to be is on inspect also hide itself too. Activate, deactivate. No. Is that already part of this? No. Okay. Deactivate. On inspect card finds card data. So it passes in the card data from the card info collection, which is here, and then it finds it when you click on it, it knows what the data is. Okay. You're gonna click on the realm. Click on the realm. Right? So let's see. On check inspect. Right? Will be realm inspect manager. Dot inspector realm. It's literally this. Activate card info. That gets sent from the card. Yeah. I'll inspect your realm. Hey! I know you will, boy. Alright, so selected card. Do I have a UI manager selected realm? I think I do. Isn't there? On this POI. I do have one. Okay. On inspect realm. On inspect should call this guy. Hold on a second. Realm. Hold on. So realm inspect manager dot activate realm info. And that would be UI manager. This POI. It would be this. It's just this one. Right? Sends it to here. Don't need to worry about if it's null or not. It doesn't matter. On inspect UI manager dot. We're gonna on inspect. We're gonna pass in realm. on inspect realm. Then we turn this on. On inspect sets the current realm equals R equals R dot current realm. Activate realm info. Update realm info. Update realm art. Oh wait, hold on a second. Realm. Reveal realm info. It's gotta be this. This should be inside the realm art. Honestly. That should be inside here. Right? Yep. So just update realm art. Okay. Alright, so then that sends you there. It sends you back to here. Then you're in here. Deactivate realm info. Realm info. False, false, fade out. Cool. Easy peasy. Right. So vector realm is this guy. CG is this guy. Here. Got it. What's up, Chris? Sick. Okay. Then now we need a button inside here that is from the realm, and it's going to be on inspect. No. Not on inspect. It would be on check inspect. Yo, it go. It go. Floating head today makes it more fun. Okay. So now, on check inspect lets us do that. There's a chance it doesn't work, right? There's a chance it doesn't work. Chance it does work. Did I not update the... I did not update the event. That explains that. I need to update the event triggers. Just that. You look ridiculous. Hey, Brianna. I'm happy you love it. Nope, still nothing. So why is that not running? That's because I'm feeling that there are too many things happening over here. And there's the on check inspect, right? And if that's not going to run because these are in the way, there's a chance that these are all readycast targets. They are. Some of them were. Okay. Let's override those. Hey! Sick. Okay. And then I gotta click again to turn it off. So how do we do that? How does that happen? Visible card. Template. On check inspect. Maybe. What does the cards on check inspect do? Activate card info this. Right? So how do we deactivate card info? Reference here. Inspect button click. Okay. Where else does this deactivate card info happen? Here. So click add listener if it's an inspect. Okay. Deactivate it. Okay. Well, we can do that. So we need to add in the realms. We need to add a bool to the bottom here. Say is inspect. Right? So then, inside start, do I have a start in here? I do. Okay. So if is inspect, then we will literally attach the on-click button for the deactivate somewhere. It's going to be on the... What would that be on? I guess it would be on the realm art. Realm art is a button now. It is now. Has an event trigger on it. I guess we can do on check inspect and the same thing is deactivate as well. Well, I guess so what if we just did this? If we make this one over here a deactivate. Where is that? Undo realm persistence? No. That's actually going to be inside the realm inspector. Deactivate realm info. There we go. That might work. So, with the underworld, click it again and turn it off. Nice. Awesome. Okay. Now, if we reveal, so here, right? We don't want to all right. 2 seconds for color. That's fine. Now you know what? If it is inspect, then it's a quarter second, otherwise 2 seconds. Same thing here. Is inspect, then it's gonna be literally a half second or 20 seconds. Sweet. Perfect. Probably gonna be perfect. Is this one not? Oh, did I not mark it yet? Oh. Did not. Okay. Nice. It needs to be more. There's a delay, and I don't like the delay. Get rid of the delay. Is inspect 0. 0. Sweet. Sweet. Good old D-Tween helping us out, like it always is. Love that. It's great. It's not set up correctly, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Let's go back into this, turn this on, make it look prettier, shall we? Go like this. I'm gonna bring it out pretty far. Make sure it's a 0. Fix my eye. All right. So we do that. We bring this description down some. Bring its font down some. 22. Make that more. Oops. I didn't mean to leave them on. Turn them off. That was a really easy thing to do. Like, oh, what is that? Noise. Love it. It's way too big of a scaling. Right? So I think what we do here is we just go is inspect vector 3.1 times 0.5. Otherwise vector 3.1. Use it drastically. It was too jarring. Way too jarring. Much better. Much better. Also, I gotta bring the numbers down more off the actual POIs. Do not like them. Do not like you. Okay, so we're gonna go inside here. And we're gonna bring you up and you down. I like it. Better. Probably. Yeah. Fantastique. All right. Does it look like a fake, like a floating hand? I don't have long sleeves on. If I had long sleeves, it'd be funny or anything. But it looks like this is so stupid. This is so stupid. It looks like somebody is in front of me, like feeding me drinks underneath the table. It's so good. Okay. So okay, we're back. All right, so next thing is figuring out this card back thing, because I'm not too sure how it's gonna go. What I want to do is I want to add the card back in, right? So let's say we add a canvas to the cards. Do the cards have a canvas already? Right? That's the first thing we need to figure out is this guy, does he already have a canvas attached to him? Or does he already have a canvas group on him? Can I swap it out? All fancy like. Where the heck is my hand at? There's too much going on. Hand. Found it. Fire hand. This guy. Card? No. No, you don't have that. The template. Template doesn't have one either. So if I were to put a canvas group on you, and I turn it off, I can effectively swap out the card back. Okay, okay. So that's the thought. We have different code because we don't have it. Whoops. So, on start, right, we will add, on the template, so card template, card template for sorting, dot add component, dot game object dot add component, canvas group. Okay. Does that work? Like, are we so far so good, right? Doing good. Doing good. Okay. Now, we need to, on the card manager, we need to enable the card back, right? We need I need an object here. Public game object. We're gonna call this card back prefab. Right? We're gonna do void init card back. We're gonna call a card for that. Right? So then the card has access to a canvas group. Right? Because it gets sorted to a canvas group. So now we can just go like we need references. Where's the references? Display, attack powers. So it's gonna be the references. Right? Public canvas group. This will be called card front CG. Right? So in the card front CG, how's this going to work? Okay, so the card front CG is going to be set to this guy, right? If that works, we're golden. Just updated a lot of prefabs, man. Nice. Sick. Okay, we are getting somewhere. So now we have that. Now when you need in the card manager, we need a card back, right? So we have the C dot card front. So now we need to C dot. So we need to hold on. We need to instantiate. No. We need a canvas group of back. Right? That's gonna be card back have a canvas group on it? It does now. Sick. Okay. 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 So this is going to be C dot, or it's going to be instantiate. We're going to instantiate the card back prefab. It's going to be on C dot transform dot get component canvas group. Right? Does that work? For now, put that in start. Let's see if it just works. Card manager dot init card back. This. Okay. Does this work? Never signed the prefab in the card manager. Good job, Grass. You done good. Card back. This guy. Whoops. Okay. All right. Does this have a card back? It does have a card back. Would you look at that? Okay. We are getting somewhere. So what the goal is to have this at 0. Right? And to have this on. And then as this scale goes to 0, right? So this is going to go, and when it hits 0, this is going to go to 1. Right? So that's the goal. So maybe I don't need it to be... So the card back doesn't ever need to be on. I don't ever need interactables and raycasts on this. Ever. Right? I do, however, all I have to do, this is not going to be that hard. Not going to be that hard, right? The card back CG dot transform the local scale equals vector, or equals a new vector 3 of 0, 1, 1. Right? I think we're getting close. Because if it's not in the way, it's not in the way, right? You're telling me this is here at 0. I can leave this on then, and I can still click. It's not in the way at all, because it has a 0 scale. Okay, so we can leave the alpha on for that, which is even cooler at 0, 1, 1, right? What we're gonna do is then we will call flip card. So then flip card, we initiated the card back. Card is gonna have a flip card animation, which I don't even know if I need. I could just do an animation for it, couldn't I? Do I need? No, because you know what? It's part of the whole template now. Where's the display? We'll do D20 for it. Flip card. Flip card's going to be a sequence. No, it's going to be at the same time. So it will literally be card front CG. Okay. The flip card. Hide card. Hide card. Or I guess it would be show card back. Show card back. Okay. Show card back will set the back. What's this thing called? Card front CG and back CG. Okay. We don't need canvas groups. We don't. Not the canvas groups. It's the. These should be transforms. Right? These should be transforms. Not CGs. Cool. So then here, I don't need to add a canvas group anymore. We're just going to flip it. Right? I don't need this. Down here, show card back is going to be card front dot do local scale dot do scale X. No, well, okay, wait, hold on. Show card back is going to be card front dot local scale equals a new vector 3 of 0, 1, 1. Right? The card back, the local scale, equals vector 3 dot 1. We flip the card, we do card front dot do scale X to 1 over half second. And the same thing, we scale to 0 for card back. That should work. So we hit end turn, all the cards then get showed, then their backs get showed. Showed? Words are hard. Okay. That should probably work. In the card manager, we init the card back. We don't need to add a canvas group anymore. It's not a requirement. Right? This is not a requirement. We do need to add this prefab here. We do need to add the prefab. 100%. We need to set it up. So C.back equals a transform. Cool. Then back CG. What was back CG? Oh, I see. Then C dot card back to make sure the local scale is correct. Okay. So then we will call flip card, or when we hit end turn. We hit end turn. Okay. So here, do a for loop over cards to be played by player dot count, and we set cards to be played by player I dot show card back. Right? Same thing for the opponent. Cards to be played by opponent. Right? Then, when we're ready to do stuff, we lock it in true. Then we do cards to be played by player I dot flip. The flip card. Same thing down here for opponent. Cool. This might work, or it might be a pure, unadulterated disaster, and I'm so ready for it, right? We don't need canvas groups in the card backs anymore. Not required. We're literally just going to go in and we're going to flip the cards. Let's see. First off, does the fox... What does the fox say? Okay. We have the template in the front, and we have the card back. We place the fox. We hit end turn. It flips the card. It freaking does it. It was ugly, but it worked. Okay. Okay. Let's try it again. Why was it so ugly is the question, right? Fox says, link queries hurt my high brain. Have you seen my link query for the collection? Oof. Look at that. Look at that. Whee! I literally used ChatGPT for that because I did not understand how that worked. Yeah, this is Dewtween. The flip card is a Dewtween thing. I don't like the ease for it. It needs to be very... And then, and then, and then. I don't think the sorting's right, though. Something about the sorting feels wrong. And I think it's the health and the attack power. But I don't know. Also, I need a different version of the card. Because nobody cares about the mana cost when it's down here. Right? Like, nobody cares about the mana cost when it's down there. Oh, it's so cool! Okay. Let's, Thumb. Tutorial level start. Tutorials in scene.where t tutorial type equals tutorial type. Oh, lordy. Yeah, I don't understand how that all works. Yuck. Okay, so let's Snake Prince. Oh, we might not be able to get Snake Prince, huh? Snake Prince might not do anything because I believe we have an extra ability to ignore. Ignore Snake Prince, isn't it? Wow. Okay, well, that's a bad example. Okay. Smoke. Smoking yet? Draw. Wishing well. I got the Bremer Musician. I love this. Ah, it's great. Look at that beehive. It's so good. Unseen Realm. Maybe we should call something else. The Unseen Realm sounds stupid, to be fair. You got a little farmer there, huh? Alright, let's put Hansel. Hansel. Woo! That's so cool. Awesome. Uh-oh, Underworld. That sucks. I think we will Mother Malcho here. Singing Bones. Singing Bones, huh? He didn't hurt anybody. Why did you want to instantiate as null? What object did I want to instantiate as null? Instantiate card. And it's because of what? The 919 Fury effect. Oh, did he get hurt? Oh shoot. There's no seedling token? Is there no seedling token card? Seedling. Oh. Well, that would make sense. Huh. The first time I've actually seen it ever work. He doesn't have a seedling token. Seedling token. Fixed. Okay. Wow. Alright. So we are... I mean, it's working. It's just not pretty. Which is fine that it's not pretty. I definitely would like it to be prettier. That's for sure. We definitely need to slow everything down a little bit. Everything moves real fast, and that's okay. We need, every time that you update attack or defense, it needs to punch the scale of the number. Total attack power. Okay. Let's see here. So how do we get, I guess we would need like a last attack power that saves it in like the last time that it's applied. Something. Would be able to check or something. Private int last attack, last turn attack power. And we also need one for last turn health. Last turn health. Right? So then, last turn attack power gets applied at the end of a turn. Right? The end of the turn, before the new turn. This is all just to get a little bit of pop. The amount of things I do. Okay, so new turn. Initialize new turn. Right? So so we do a for loop here of all, okay, wait, right here where all cards played this turn. Right there. Right? So let's do a for loop here of all cards played this game. Okay. All cards played this game. I dot last turn. Oh, shoot. I need a thing called save last turn for the card. So let's do save last turn. Save last turn stats. Okay. Last turn attack power equals total attack power. Last turn health equals health. Sick. Hey. This becomes save last turn stats. Sick. So now we have saved those numbers. Now I can literally, when we update numbers, right? So when we update total attack power, and right here, update total attack power, right? We can literally say, after we do all this, say if total attack power is not equal to last turn attack power, then you know what? Not what I want. Not how I want it. Not what I want. It's literally, that's not how I want this at all. I think I want this to just pop. Can we just call this instead? We can do like a void pop, and we'll call bull health, bull attack, right? And we'll just if health, then we'll call these pop health and pop attack. That way it's easier to, there's no confusion, right? If pop health, then we do health display dot transform dot do punch scale 0.1. Oh, vector 3 dot 1 times 0.1 over 0.2. Done. Right? Same thing for pop attack. The card attack display. Cool. Easy peasy. Right? Now I can literally just call pop whenever I want to call pop. So now if I go, we were to add, like, so for instance, Frog King. Attack power cards. This is looking funny. That's better. Attack power cards. I can literally then call game turn manager. All POIs I dot player cards J dot pop. And we pop like that. That should work. Right? Same thing here. This should be opponent cards. Right? Let's see if that works. The player plays the Frog King, does do things pop. Love that we have things rotating now. It's great. Why the Frog King? It didn't pop. Didn't pop like I wanted it to. Why is that? So if we're looking at this object here, right? If we pop true, card attack display. It's gotta be that. So it's the, it would be the POI 0 slots, cards, box, attack display. Yeah. Okay, so wait, so if I went 2, okay, 2 might be the one to actually do instead of 1. Maybe 2 is the answer. Or even 3. No, not 3. It's crazy. Alright. So it's actually going to be more like 2. Fox. I definitely find it weird that I have Frog King in my deck. Oh, I didn't. Where's my deck? I do have Frog King in my deck. Oh, that's my Hansel, right? Beggar Woman for the card draw. Singing Bows did it again. I killed Rumpelstiltskin, but it shouldn't have. Weird, man. Okay, let's Gretel. Gretel will give us 8. If I had Gretel here, this is where the stuff's not right. This is supposed to double. So Gretel should be 16 and Hansel should be 12. Instead, Hansel's 9, Gretel's 12. Off a little bit, right? Why is she on the 5? Is Singing Bones hurting himself? I don't understand. Singing Bones is just broken, as we can tell. Completely broken. Right? Alright. Well, I forgot what I was even. I don't remember what I was even testing. I have no idea. Fraud King, I think. Sweet. Fraud King worked. Okay. Okay. So the pop does work. It needs to take a little bit longer. It looks a little ridiculous by itself. So the pop looks good. Okay. Now, Corey sucked, you fixed it. First or default. Sick. That's why I use ChatGPT, man. I have no idea how any of that works at all. Alright. Didn't just do that or anything? Oh. Yeah, GPT for the win, man. For real. So good. Alright, so let's go through now and figure out what needs to pop and what doesn't need to pop, right? Fix my code. I mean, I've literally done. I've been like, hey, this sucks. Can you rewrite that? Or I've been like, hey, this tweet's horrible. Fix it for me. Like, it's like, yeah, no problem. I got you. Thanks, man. Alright. The Child Eater. Child Eater reduces their health. Right? So then we all cards at realm K dot pop. We're gonna pop false. No. True. Aha. Then at the very end, we will pop the. So we can do here. We do if this dot extra attack power cards is greater than 0. Then we pop the attack. False. True. Sweet. Draw. So Beggar Woman does not do anything. Rapunzel does not do anything. Cinderella does not do anything with attack power. Huntsman does. Huntsman does. He doesn't cooperate, or he does cooperate. If he nicks someone, right? So if Huntsman kills someone off... Well, okay, so first off is if cards on opposite hunts, then we pop it. We pop it's true. We don't lock it, but we pop it. Right? Okay. Do we Well, I guess we also pop the health to 0 too. Pop both, right? Excuse me. We have to increase the attack power as well. So I feel like this attack power should be a different number. So that's a possibility. I don't want this to pop constantly. It's annoying if it does, right? But I think we should be okay for now with this. It might be a problem. We'll have to look. Pop. False. True. Master Thief doesn't pop. Pied Piper doesn't pop. Talking Cat doesn't pop. Hansel does not pop. Gretel does. So then we Hansels. So all the Hansels dot pop. True or false true. Right? You also pop the Gretel. And the Gretel, this would actually be plus equals total attack power. Right? And this is total attack power. We double it. Okay. Then we do pop here. We pop true. Okay. Pop, of course, you can only pop attack if health is greater than 0. Right? So we can do if health less than 0, return. Less than or equal to 0, return. Here we go. Okay. Can't pop of it. Water Nix, Little Match Girl doesn't do that. Little Mermaid changes numbers. So if we do that, we pop both. Right? So LM card dot pop. Truce. Okay. LM attack is attack power plus attack power cards. No. This number's wrong. This is total attack power. No, it's not. It's total attack power minus the realm stuff. I have to recalculate that. We gotta put that in the stuff. Things to do. Recalculate how Little Mermaid moves stats. Okay. We definitely pop both. Yeah. Okay. Woodcutter is just drawing a card. Tom Thumb is drawing a card. Thumbling is increasing the mana of a card. You need to pop the mana at that point. Corpse Bride. I don't have a pop mana yet. What's up, Hans? How you doing? Mike was muted during your last stream. Nobody told you? Thanks for the story. Hey, no worries, man. You're good. You're good. What's good? What's new? You got a lot done since the last time that you were in here. For sure. It's only been a little bit, but we're killing this thing. Corpse Bride is a disaster still. Little Taylor destroys a card. That doesn't matter. Right? Snow Queen. We are going to pop that. So this realm, cards on the other side. This. Pop. Massive switch. Yeah, it's all the cards. Extra attack. False. True. The switch is better here. But a ton of if statements for every single card. You're going to execute? I expect you to. I expect nothing less, actually. And if you didn't, I'd be like, well, why aren't you doing it? Buff cards dot pop. False, true. Spinner. Spinner just moves a card. Snow White does both. You always do a sanity check on every array value? I don't know what you mean by sanity check. Well, I mean, I know what sanity checks are, but I don't know how that would work here, to be fair. We need to pop both of these Snow White cards, right? So we pop Snow White cards, pop, true, false. No, true, true. Snow White cards, eyes, null. Oh, it says we have that set up already in the very beginning. We're good. Cards on the side has a null check inside it. We're good. Good to go. And it can be a none anyway, so we're cool. And actually, Snow White's check will never be. It will never be 0 because Snow White includes herself. So when Snow White's played, she always buffs herself. So that'll never be 0. Alright, so Bremen Musician does that stuff. Prince Ivan does that stuff. Miller's Daughter does increase attack power. Right? So if we double attack power... Mill Daughter double. If Mill Daughter double is true, then we pop. This is just... Right now we're just doing game feel. For a moment. Snake token. Okay. Mother Malcho. Abilities to ignore. Okay, so you have that done. Channel effects. If you're doing an enumerator, can an array value become null in a frame? Nope. No, it cannot. Not based on how it's working. So now, this should... Appreciate the thought, though. So this should pop for both the Fox and the Beggar Woman. It did, but it was an ugly pop. That's for sure. Okay. So, when Wishing Well is played, we have an issue there, right? When Wishing Well is played, it doesn't flip the cards, right? Wishing Well needs to flip the cards still. So where does Wishing Well come in? Wishing Well comes in on when you activate the realm, right? That would be here on play status. Frog counter, Frog Kingdom, Wishing Well, the Hollow. Okay. Oh, actually, this is good here. This is good for us. Go through and pop these. Fumbling Crypt. Oh. Oh, the persistent ones. Where are they? Goodness. They are in the end turn stuff. End turn. Okay. Flip card. The card to hand. There's Glade, Endless Maiden. Magic Mirror. Okay. Okay, Ram Chat. Okay, here. There they are. All POIs. Player cards. Pop. False. True. And opponent cards. These things again. Okay. Also don't like the elasticity of the pops. We have to fix that. They're weird looking, that's for sure. It'd probably just be a linear one, honestly. Path 2, tallest tower. Distant effects. Build skin. Basic beauty. Singing bones. Still broken somehow. A card from opponent's side. This part's the part that's broken here. That's weird. Master Fram. Okay. Cards played this game. Oh! Would you look at that? Okay. That might be the issue there. Turn. It's definitely the issue. Huh. How about that? They might have fixed the Singing Bones problem, which is great. Okay. Okay. We are getting somewhere. So popping should work. I don't like how the pop actually looks. Reduce the elasticity by vibrato. It's gonna vibrate 0. The unstarted side was a false relation between punch on opposite scale, 0s between punch and start. That's what I want. This can be 0-0 for that. But I think I want to set ease. I think I just want to do a linear one. Pretty sure. See how that looks. And it's Frog King this. That's way better. Way better. Also, anytime the value changes in the new total amount or whatever, need to update that with a little pop as well. How are we gonna pop realms? Where do we update the total attack power? Total power player, right? So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna save it and say last player power, last opponent power. Cool. Now, okay. After this. So let's say last player power equals P. But if last player power is not equal to P, we will pop it. Pop. This guy here. Don't need more than one variable here. We're just gonna pop attack. Just pop. We need to pop. Oh, we need to pop the value. So we need to pop here the TM Pro or TMP text. Or it would just be the transform. Okay. T-dot punch deal. Boom. Okay. Pop. It would be the player power. POI player power. Is it transform already? That transform. Sweet. Cool. Last player opponent. Last opponent. There we go. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out the right words. Got this. No. POI opponent. There we go. Should let us pop everything. All right. Nice. It's too big. That's too much. 1.2 it is. Sweet. Love that art. Oh, that's so good. All right. Also, there's more room in this now. We need a better font. We need to add a drop shadow to the font. That needs to happen. Love it. There's twice, huh? Got the rat there. Give me that card draw. Ooh, magic mirror. Where will that be useful? Snow White will be good there. Frog King gonna work for us? 1 mana cards each one of them. I don't know. Right play here is probably Cinderella on this side. Oof. Why is there 7 power there? What is going on there? Why does their center have 7 power? Opponent cards, none. Of interest. Opponent cards. Oh, it's doing that thing again. If I play Snow White here, it's not going to duplicate it. Add card to opponent. Okay. Card to opponent. Get available random realm. There was no random realm. Oh, there was no random realm. We can return back null. Okay, which is good. You can just go like that. Okay. I love the art so much in this game. Does it look like the card turns? No. How do I fix that to make it look like the card turns? It's going to be a delay, right? To make the card look like the flip actually happens, right? The flip, this will require this. It's going to require a sequence. Let's do tween.sequence. Right, and then we can do s dot append. And we do the card back scale. Right? And then we do... Wasn't it like... Excuse me. Oh, that. Then we do another one. Card back front to 1. Then we do s.play. That's why the card didn't look right. I bet you this is gonna work. This is gonna look just fine. 1 second seems like a long time, but we'll see how it does. Woo! It looks like a card flip. A little bit slow though. A little bit slow though. Set ease. Ease.linear. Okay. Alright, reduce this to 1/4 second on both sides. And we got it. Yeah, it looks like an actual card flip now. It doesn't look as bad as it did before. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It needs to be faster on the back end and slower on the front end. That weird? Maybe. That was a whole lot that happened there. Okay. Out either a 4-cost card now. That's disgusting. Got a whole bunch of cards there. Weird. Oh, that's how it's supposed to work. Alright, Charlie Leader is going to wreck face everywhere. Num nums. Woo, 42. Lordy. Good lord. Just sheet everybody. Alright. So we have an issue. The issue is that the pop doesn't reset itself at the end. Right? Let's fix that. So on complete. And you know what? It needs to do kill itself. That's all it needs to do. Need to do this. Dot do kill. That way she works. No. It's gonna punch to a weird spot, right? So I don't want to. I want to set an on complete. We're gonna set a ooh, it's 1. On complete card health display transform local scale equals vector 3.1. That. Okay. And then also in the realm, where is it? I can never remember what it's called. I can never remember what it's called. Ridiculous. Punch scale. Oops. Not incomplete. T. Dot local scale equals vector 3.1. And Tita Tico. Cool. The Snow Queen already. Okay, so shouldn't have gotten we Frog King here. Oh, double Frog King. What does it mean? Through Chesta? 3 Pied Pipers. It's a lot. Let's catch an elves into Pied Piper. Gatekeeper. Thrushbeard. Like him. Turn 5 to Iron Hans. Think that. Oh, I can't play him left anymore. Shoot. We play Snake Prince, Pied Piper. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Alright, win the location. Guess we don't win it. Corpse Brided. It's a whole bunch of mess up there. The darn card. We can Wiki Queen. If we Wiki Queen here, how much power does she have? She has a 6. Yeah, we won. Power all player. This is as of array. And that's because of this. Also, there's 5 cards here, but there's not. Corpse Bride's a complete problem. Gotta remove it from the deck. Let's go back into the collection. Move Corpse Bride from the deck. Where is the deck? Collection UI. We don't need Corpse Bride this deck. Let's instead give them a 5 cost card. Give them Goose Girl. That's fair. Alright. What's next? So we got the cards. We got the cards rotating. We've got. I guess we can add a couple more cards right now. What cards we gotta add still? Oh, Maid Maleen and Swan Maiden. I think the Swan Maiden. Let's see if we can get a cool image for him. Let's see. Yeah, Holty, this was looking real cool, dude. I like this. The Lush Hills, those mischievous mages have stolen Zilla's eggs. You can hover by pushing her towards their objectives. I love this. That's great. Looks so good. Who's doing the art stuff? Who's doing the art for the game? I don't think I ever asked you. It looks great. Let's see here. Alright. Let's see if we can get a good Maid Maleen card. Maid Maleen. So what kind of ability could Maybelline have? Maybelline could have an ability that... Well, let's look her up real fast. Where is she in here? Where is she in this big old book? Maybelline. 56. There once was a king who had a son. Is she... She's imprisoned for 7 years. So she needs to be in shackles. Yo, this is cool looking. Look at these pictures. I love this. She needs to be in shackles. She's apparently perverted. Because she's perverted, she's in shackles for 7 years in the tallest tower. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Let's change this, let's see here. Let's see. Alright. Maybelline shackled in castle, locked away in castle tower, or in tallest castle tower. Twisted mind. Let's see. What kind of ability could Maybelline have if she's shackled? Right? That means that she... Look, would she be powerful then? I don't know. Maybe she would be a powerful card. She's shackled and she wants to be with somebody, but she's perverted. Like, the choices could be endless here, right? And of course it's not going to run. Come on, man. Run already. Run already. Here forever. Enduring Screech. Yeah, she just screams. But what's her ability? We can have her full out scream. Like, we can have like a VO happen when her card flips over. But if she screams, ooh, does she do 1 damage to everybody's health? Does she have health proc for fury attacks? Ooh, maybe. That's a cool idea. Ooh, that's a cool idea. She's a 2... Because then she procs fury attacks, right? If she's screaming and perverted. So then she allows things like... We need to create filters in the collection. But she allows things like... the little farmer to proc to get a seedling, right? She allows things like... where else are my Fury stuff at? Who else is Fury? Wrecking Fury? No. Channel. Like 7th Soldier to get +2 attack power when he gets hurt, right? Who else gets procced by Fury? Noah's Daughter? No, she doesn't want to play. There's not that many. Iron Hans. Increase attack power equal to damage taken. Right? There's not that many yet, but we can always add more. For sure. Not a ton of Fury stuff yet. It will definitely be added. Cool. And I think adding cards like that... Dude, it's not running. Need a card. A card. Look at the talking cat. Look how freaking cute that cat is. Honestly, Thumbling is such a strong card. I don't know why I don't have her in my hand. We don't need... I don't think we need Frog King anymore. Next Frog King. Doesn't... Doing a weird thing. Doesn't save the third deck for some reason. Let's see. Definitely want... Mother Malcho is great. We're gonna be testing this new character, right? So we need 7 Soldier. We need King Thrushbeard. His attack power can't go down. Dude, she's not. Her card's not going. Ridiculous. What is happening here? We're gonna rerun it. We need Iron Hands. Iron Hans, I guess it would be. I guess it wouldn't be Iron Hands. It would be Iron Hans. We need... Definitely need Snow Queen. Their pausing isn't working? Oh no. Not good. A Sweetheart's being made right now. Oh, so then the last card would be... It'd be my Maid Maleen. Maid Maleen should be like a 2-mana card. There she is. Oh, sweet. Dude, she looks sick. Which one's the best one? 1 probably. Or 2. 4's face is all messed up. 3 looks sweet though. I think we should get variants on 2 and see if it does anything else. She's not shackled though. She's just there. I think 3 might be our best. What if we rehash it? Oh, it did another group. Or with 2's face. Yeah, we can't do anything about that though. Here's another group of 4. Dude, that's so cool looking. Okay. That one is good. Okay, 4 looks really cool. Can we get a variation on 4? 4 is real cool. I like that it's through the bars. It's legit. Oh, some of these are a little weird. Where's Bay? Okay, so, big issue though is that her head is being severed by the metal bar. So it's not gonna work, unfortunately. It looks really cool though, but it doesn't make any sense at all. Right? Was it that bad in the beginning? Yeah, it was. Let's re-roll these again. I think 1 looks good though. Eh, maybe. See what else we can get. Two. What on up here? What are these? Okay now. Alright, so 1's all screwed up. 4 is a little weird. 3 is a 2 kind of works, though. Is her arm a stub? Who's holding her arm up here? Never mind. 2. This is Nightmare Fuel. This one's Nightmare Fuel. That is Nightmare Fuel. Woo! Let's reroll one more time. You see it? Yeah, that is Nightmare Fuel. Stub chain. She got one of them stub chains. No one ever said she was great. She was just perverted. No one ever said she was nice. Or pretty. Let's see here. It's cool that it does this, though. Like how it just re-rolls 4 new ones every time, and they're just completely different. Okay. Might be a little too dark. That's interesting. This is like straight out of Saul. 4 straight out of Saul. Her hair's all tied up and stuff. It doesn't make any sense at all. Oh, yeah, I asked for her to be shackled, not on a noose. Let's try again. Do we have any good ones out of these so far? But the only good one, honestly, was this one. But then it's actually through, it's impaling her. It's not good. Although I like 1 on this one. No, I don't. I don't like her face. Never mind. 2's face is cool. The 2's not inside a tower. It makes no sense. Thematically, she makes no sense. Alright, let's see. Alright. Anything good here? I kind of dig the second one. This one's nice. I kind of dig that one. Yeah, I dig that one a lot. Maybe we can get some variants on it. Oh, I already opened the book. So let's upscale 2 and also give you variants of 2. But that one looks sick. The detail is really nice. The cool, like, almost like a snake tongue for the pendant. She looks tied up, beyond shackled, not just shackled. Next level. All right, variations on it. Shoot. Pendants, different face directions. I think we take 2? Or no? Crazy. Yeah, 2's better. Her face was stub-nosed here. I think we're gonna take 2. We're gonna upscale 2 on that one. The head of Static City, I presume. Yours truly. What's up, Nubfish? How you doing? Literally the head. And that's it. Spooky. That's the one that I wanted. Don't entirely know. No. Just woke up. Nice. Haven't gone to sleep yet. It's 11 p.m. here. We're getting stuff going, though. That's for sure. So I would just get the 1. 8 hours of sleep? Nice, man. I haven't gotten 8 hours of sleep in a long time. So I don't have the time for it. There's so many discords. Okay. Alright, so we know that we have one that we like. Right? I like this one. I don't know if the other one's better or not yet. We're still waiting for it. Okay. Here's the other one. Alright, 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 2 is the one with 3 chains down. 1 is the one with 2 chains down. The pink one. A 1? Beyonce's saying 1. Dig on one. I think one looks cool. I think they give her rings. Let's use that. Alright, she is... What is this? This is a card game that we're making. Maid Marlene. It is based on Brothers Grimm fairy tales. Alright, so Maid Marlene is going to be a... She's going to be a 2 mana, 1 health, 1 attack. Yeah. All other cards get -1 attack power. Invoke. Maid Marlene. Seems like a luxury human-produced art. It is a AI generated art based on a set series of prompts that I've created over time. So it's not just any old art, which is cool. A human produced luxury art. I'm not sure I know what you're saying at all, to be fair. But what's up, dude? How you been? Yeah, she's a cool card. Some really cool art. That's for sure. Save her. Date it. So now she interacts with all Fury cards. No, she doesn't. Shoot, wait a second, hold on. So she should be all cards get -1 attack power and -1 health. Right? Maid Marlene. Maid. I don't have her as a thing. Oops. Card names. Maid Marlene. Okay. Honestly, I would love to get to like Kickstarter with like 120 cards, maybe more, and then have progression in the game. Get some networking in. People can play. -1 attack power, -1 health. Okay. Sounds strong. Because she procs Fury, but she also procs Fury for other people too. I like that. Seems strong. -1/-1 for everything seems strong for a 2 mana cost card. Maybe she should be a 2/1/4. That way she gets play, and she also saps from everyone else. That's cool. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so Maid Marlene. Card Invoke. Where's her Invoke stuff? There it is. So case. Maid Marlene. So then we will run through all cards that are currently played and all cards that have been played, right? So all cards, let's do a for loop through game turn manager. All cards played this game. All right. So then we do game turn manager. Cards play this game. I.health. .health minus. And another one. Attack power. minus, minus. Okay. Sweet. So then we then call pop. All cards this game, pop. And true, true. Then the same thing for all cards played by this player. And it's if I equals this. Continue. Cool. Then we need to do this for opponent as well. So, Maid Maline seems strong. So she can't affect Thrushbeard. It's cool. But I want to add her to this collection. See if she does. See if she works. 214. Okay. I did. Where is she? Wait. Yeah. Well, hopefully we get her. I gotta get rid of the fox. The fox is making it harder for me to make sure I get the same cards that I want. She's not in my deck? She was. Yeah, she's there. Okay. Yeah, Kickstarter? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do a Kickstarter for this so we can buy network, so we can not buy, so we can afford a network developer to help out with the networking. That way we can afford some art to finish out some of the stuff, some audio, all that fun stuff. Then we're going to draw a card. Emily is 2 down. 7 soldier. Singing bone, okay. Ooh, beggar woman died. Okay, singing bone's fixed. That's good. Bad for us, good for that. We talking cat? I think we Thrushbeard. Why can't we play Thrushbeard mid? Oh, Gatekeeper's in. Didn't even notice that. Uh-oh. Thrushbeard can go left. You draw me a Maline. He killed Fox. Maid Maline should Fury. Oh shoot, he's gonna kill Thrushbeard. Okay, so Maid Maline should Fury twice on 7 soldier. Did. Fury twice. Oh, everything's dead. Why is everything dead? Oh, Maid Maline killed everything. Wow, she's strong. Maybe she should just... Wow, she's really strong. Wow, would she be an auto-include at that point? Holy crap. I think it should be your other cards. Get -1 attack power, -1 health. I think you shouldn't be able to kill everybody. Holy crap, that's insane. Then you can Snow Queen. Ruin everybody. Damn. Okay, yeah. So Maybelline has to be 100%. She has to be only if game turn manager distance all cards played this game owner deck equals owner deck. So if it's not equal to owner deck, continue. Woo! Okay. Yeah. It has to be instead that that's way too strong to just blast everybody like that. Especially for 2 mana? No way. Maybelline, where is she? Your other cards. -1 attack power. Your other cards get -1 attack power, -1 health. I think it's more than enough for wording. Ooh. Well, we're gonna add her to the discard. To the discard. Words are hard. Right. So. Ew, I don't like how that shows up. You know what? It's fine. Fix that when we need to fix that. Alright, man. With that, I think we hit 60 cards. We did. Dang. 60 cards, including uncollectibles. Including non-collectibles. The actual amount of cards we have is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. 52 cards. So 8 of them are not collectible. Really? Wow, that seems high. It does seem high, doesn't it? Should it be? Is there 8 non-collectible cards? The Stepmother's 1. Frog, Dragon is 2 and 3. Rat is 4. Gretel's 5. Six, Seedling. Seven is Snake. Wait, that's 7. Am I missing one? Is there a card somewhere that's not collectible that should be collectible? Hold on a second. Dragon. Dragon token. Right. Frog token. Okay. Rattle. Right. Rapunzel. Why is Rapunzel not collectible? That's weird. This wasn't allowed to be played anymore? I was wondering why I hadn't seen her in a while. She's good now. We're gonna prepare this from to your side. And this should actually say you get control of an opponent's card, or a random opponent's card at this round. I don't know. I don't know the right way to word that is. Forgot that she was even there. Alright. We have a lot more 6 cost cards than we do 5 cost cards. Alright, man, we are getting there. With that, let's I think it's time to roll out. Thanks so much for hanging out today, guys. Much appreciated. You guys have been amazing. Let's go raid somebody. Let's see who's live on the interwebs doing some game dev. Make their day a little bit better. Live again tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is Friday. Some more of this. Taking off? Yeah, it's 11 p.m. Try to go live. If I go to sleep now, I'll get up early enough for the morning to stream. Right? Hopefully. Kinda, sorta. Let's see here. Let's go over to... Let's gonna go over to Incarnate's stream. Incarnate's an awesome dude working on a game called Project Demi. He's redesigning the library, which is a really cool dungeon that he has in his game. Here's a raid message. Grab it, toss it in his channel, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later.